such an enormous and changing field that it is definitely a challenge to stay up to date on all the current information. It's a great place to learn.
I think that the things that I've learned here are very important. You're getting information from academic sources, from people in the private sector, from young students who are coming to you with their brand new research.
I like to be able to keep up with what my team's able to do and some of the newest trends or research and studies going on in the stewardship field so that we can best do our work.
I know that there are folks here who are representing their work being done in various parts of the country, but there are a lot of folks who are doing work here in Michigan.
You know people are interested. You can see their passion. You can definitely see that in the breakout sessions where people are really engaged.
When I come to this conference, I learn how to run my organization, how to steward the people, how to manage my board, how to make more effective decisions, how to build up the network to do the stewardship.
Every year I learn something new. I take away a different approach and I learn the why for other people. It's great to learn from others who are doing the same thing, have the same why, maybe a little bit different, and find a different approach, something that I can incorporate and make myself better.
The Stewardship Network Conference covers a wide array of local relevant topics from local relevant experts that specifically resonate with me.
The learning is there and I think continues to get better every year.
I learned something new from my work, I learned something new from my connections, I learned something new from my home life. One of the things that people say to us over and over again is, as young people, this is a really welcoming environment for them, and so they love to be able to come here and know that they can ask all kinds of different questions.
I'm excited to continue to see outreach and engagement with tribal communities, bringing their voices here to a broader audience is really awesome.
Our spirituality, our cultural, our traditions, our ceremonies, and our beliefs need to be passed on. The tribes can't do it alone. The DNR can't do it. Eagle can't do it. It's going to take a holistic effort from everybody. I believe everybody here is willing to learn even more.